Hello everybody, welcome back to another trade recap. I just wanted to show you guys another trade I took last week. If you watched the previous video, you would have saw I had a limit order set for this trade, and thankfully I was able to market execute and hit take profit. So I just want to show you guys kind of why I took this trade. If you see here, we had this nice break of structure with an internal break of structure, sorry, with an imbalance. And we also had an external break of structure, which if you watched the last video, you know that is my major break of structure. I won't always go off of an internal break of structure. I kind of wait for a more important high to get taken. So yeah, as you can see, we closed pretty strongly above this high. It was a nice bullish range we got here. Let me draw that for you guys. Yeah, so this nice bullish range. My bias was kind of similar to the trade I showed in the last video. If you go here, as you can see on the NAS 100, let's see. If we go on the 4-hour here, where is it? So yeah, remember I told you guys that I just wanted to see these lows get swept, and I saw that immediately reverse bullish, and I took the long off that. As you can see on gold, price kind of did the same thing, just a little bit cleaner in my opinion. So we have this long low wick right here, and price came down, swept that low, and immediately started trending pretty bullish. So that was kind of my major bias for the day. We got a nice 4-hour bullish candle, and then I dropped down to the 15-minute, and I saw this bullish range, and I immediately knew this is kind of what I'm looking for. So I drew my fib from this protected low to this protected high, or swing high, sorry. It's all personal preference of where you draw your low. I didn't see price coming back down and reaching this low. I feel like price was not going to drop to that, which it didn't. As you can see, this was a market execution just because I was waiting for price to come down fully to the 71%, and then I saw I wasn't gonna reach there as soon as I started this bullish bearish candle, sorry, start wicking back up. So I entered around here, and it was a good call. Price isn't always going to reach the exact number. It's a bit different on different markets, so it's all personal preference. Some people will say this is not following your trade rules. I just think, why am I gonna lose another trade to add when just over a couple pips? It's not that big a deal for me. As long as I'm in the like 2R to 2.5R range, that's pretty much good for me. But yeah, price had a beautiful reaction to this imbalance, or well, these imbalances came back up. And then just immediately reverse bullish. I thought, honestly, I had a second take profit waiting at this high. I was going to take partial profits here and then wait for price to run up and come here. But it didn't. As soon as this bullish candle didn't close above, I just closed the trade. And I wasn't going to take the risk. And luckily, I had the right bias because price did not come and take out this high as well. It did not continue bullish. It started a pretty bearish trend, which you can see. But yeah, it was a super textbook setup. I like that. I had major confirmation with the where is it? With the 4-hour low getting swept, and then this big bullish candle. So I was pretty happy with this trade. I've just started a new funded account. I'm waiting for, this is a pretty big week for news. We got NFP and we had earnings this week. So there's a lot of liquidity to trade off of. Price, I won't lie, has been pretty choppy. I drew this fib here. I was going to take it. Actually, I did enter. I did enter off of this candle, and we had a, I guess, decent reaction, and then price chopped and came back to entry. And I know you're not supposed to interfere with the trade, but I saw that price was just not moving well. So I said, I'll just get out of the trade. I didn't take much of a loss. I think it was like a couple dollars. It just came back to entry. And luckily, my bias was correct because we tanked pretty much in the aftermarket. Um, but then yeah, his price has just been moving pretty weird for me. Um, like, and then we came back up. It's just all over the place. Not price action. I'm willing to take a trade on my new funded account with. Even here, this is pretty similar. It came close to my 71%, kind of like the gold trade. But only thing is, the reason I didn't take this is one, we are in, we were in, sorry, pretty premium pricing on this range. We were pretty at the top. And two, it did not break any structure, which is a major confluence for me. As you can see, it just swept the high. That's not a break of structure for me. Some people will call this a break of structure with wicks, but that's more of a Cody sweep for me. But yeah, overall, last week was pretty good. I went, I think, 3 for 3 on trades. Actually, 4 for 4 because I scaled in. Pretty good. Feeling pretty good about those trades I took last week. Hopefully, I'm able to continue that streak and coming into the next week. And yeah, thank you all for watching and please subscribe. Thank you.